if tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, A is greater than B, then the value of A is, here given tan A plus B is equal to root 3. Here tan 60 is equal to root 3. That is tan A plus B is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. A plus B is equal to 60. Tan gets cancelled. Equation 1. Tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Here tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A minus B is equal to tan 30 degrees. A minus B is equal to 30. Equation solve 1 and 2. That is A plus B is equal to 60. A minus B is equal to 30. Here plus B minus B gets cancelled. A plus A, 2A is equal to 60 plus 30, 90. A is equal to 90 by 2 is equal to 45. Substitute A is equal to 45 in equation 1. That is A plus B is equal to 60. 45 plus B is equal to 60. B is equal to 60 minus 45. B is equal to 60 minus 45, 15. Here A value is 45. B value is 15. That is A is greater than B. So the value of A is 45.